Hi, this is Steve Davis over at Total Wealth Academy, and this is Learn the Lingo. The lingo today is depreciation. Now, disclaimer, I'm not a CPA. You're going to want to talk to a CPA before you do this. But depreciation protects your cash flow. An example, let's say I've got 20 rent houses and I'm making $10,000 a month in cash flow, or $120,000 a year. At the end of the year, I have to claim that I made $120,000. Do I owe taxes on that $120,000? Yes. Am I going to pay it? No. I'm going to depreciate those assets and protect most of that $120,000. My depreciation may be $80,000. So even though I pocketed $120,000, I take out $80,000 in depreciation. That means I only owe taxes on $40,000, not the $120,000. Again, I'm not a CPA. You need to study this, but understand that depreciation protects your cash flow. That's Learn the Lingo. Thanks for watching.